Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2014 Chevy Cruze. Customer complained of shifting problems and overheating. I've already done an inspection on this, so I know what's going on. So what we'll be replacing is this water outlet slash thermostat housing. Bunch of different names for it. See that coolant down there? That's the telltale leak of it. Now I can pressurize the system and watch the coolant come out of here. So that is what we're replacing. And then her shifter slash no start problem is going to be this. Another common problem with Chevy. The grommet likes to fall off of those bushings at the end of the shifter assembly, shifter cable. So we're going to be replacing that and putting a new grommet on to that. Start out, disconnect a couple connectors, see if they're going to go easy for me. Of course not. So just going to take that off. Take these out of the way, makes it easier. Need a couple little special tools that not a lot of people have for this kind of repair. So we'll get into it. The bracket right here, bracket's gonna come off in order to get the inverted Torx bits. 10mm for that. Bracket is designed to keep wiring harnesses on there, but someone has already decided to take them off. So see these right here, going to be inverted Torx. I believe they're going to be 10s. Find out here in just a second. Yep, E10s. So we're going to take hose clamp off, let the coolant drain, E10, and there's another one hidden right below here that you can't see right by the shifter cable. And then take this connector back here off for that coolant temperature sensor, and then the whole thing comes off. Easy peasy. While it's off, I'm also going to do the shifter bushing because it's going to make it easier with that being off right there. I have some cool hose clamp plier tools. A pair of pliers should work with this, but nothing will beat the tool of choice. Of course, I can get on there. Get one of those on there. Always rotate it around. Clamp it, move it out of the way. Hose doesn't come off. You can use a pick. Got a drain down there catching all my coolant. Stuff is all plastic, so it does not like to last any length of time in the hot engine area. So we're also going to put a little bit of sealant on the seal area once we get it off. Take that last one out when I got my room up over here. Don't get this confused for the thermostat housing. This is going to be, what's it called? Water outlet housing. I mean, there's a bunch of different names for it. It's crazy. When I call it one thing, someone else may call it something different, and then again, another parts department call it something different altogether. Is the easy part, since that's already off. Get that out of the way. Otherwise, you need a 2-inch extension, 3-inch extension. Get past that cable. Got one more hidden down here somewhere. Where's it at? Oh yeah. See this right here? This little clip you're gonna have to be really careful of too, because they like to break just the same. And it being plastic, I always love to have problems. And it does not come with the new housing, so you gotta make sure you take that off very gently. Someone had the wrong one on there at one point in time. That's nice. So that comes off. This comes out. Use our little plier tools to take it out. Nice to me today. Go. Send the other one. Twist it off. And assembly's out. See, they like to leak from right in here. They'll split down here. They'll split over here. They just like splitting everywhere. So, like I said, there's no seal or anything like that right here. So just put just a little bit of RTV on here. 2 bolts in, be good to go. So I'm gonna put some sealant on the assembly over here just the same. So that way it prevents any kind of future leaks. So in the process, I'm putting this little bushing on. No one has ever done a bushing on the Chevys. It's gonna be pretty simple. I got bushing kits like this. Then it just goes, snaps in side here, snaps on here, and problem fixed. So reassembly is pretty much the same way. Put it all back together. A little tube up here, I'm gonna have to do a little bit of surgery on. There's not much as far as the grommet piece on the bottom, so I'm gonna be making something in order to go into the new one. Once I get done with that part, I'll leave some comments. All right, have a nice day.